Hello student, today we will start with English writing skill chapter 2 note writing. So let us see what is the definition of a note. What is a note? A note is a piece of brief information sent by one person to another or to a group of persons. This is done specially when the sender cannot communicate his or her message personally to the receiver. So, a note is what? It is a piece of brief information sent by one person to the another person, and this note is sent when a person cannot communicate personally, cannot send his message personally to the other person. Now, what is the format of a note? Every note consists of the following part. Date. It is written at the top right of the page. Top right of the page means this side it is written. Addressee name. It is placed at the top left of the page. Now, whom that note we address it. So, on the top left, this side it is written left. Then the text of the note, the content of the matter of the note, the content matter of the note is to be written generally in one brief paragraph. So the content of the note, what is our message that we have to give, so that content we have to write in a brief paragraph. The complementary clause or the subscription. Complementary clause, it will come the name, the person who is writing the note, his name will come there. So here the name of the sender is written at the bottom right of the page. Bottom right means here it is written. This side it is written. No signature is required unless it is an official note. So here signature is not required. Now let us see the examples. Imagine someone has invited your family to a program and you were the only person at home when the invitation was given orally. Write a note in 4 to 5 lines to pass on the message to the other people in your family. So here the date will come 5th January. Now whom you are writing, the addressee name will come here for mummy and daddy. Uncle Rajan and Aunt Radha had come this evening to invite us to their house warming function on Saturday 12th January at Tulip Lawn Zoo. There will be refreshment, entertainment and dinner. A special program has been arranged for children. They have requested us to confirm our presence at the latest by 10th of January. And the sender name Sachin. So in such type the small note is to be written. Next is a note from a son to his mother regarding coming late home. Now a son is writing a note to his mother why he is supposed to be late. So here on the right top side date will come 17th April. Then addressee name for mummy, I shall be home as late as 9 p.m. this evening as after tuitions I shall be going to visit a friend who is ill. He has been admitted at Sanjeevani Hospital 2 days ago, and here the sender name will come. Next is a note from a parent to the class teacher of his son seeking an appointment for a meeting. Now, parent is writing a note to the class teacher. So how that note will be written? First date will come at the right top side, then for the class teacher, which standard and which division. I would like to meet you in connection with my son's academic performance. Please give me an appointment at your earliest convenience. So the parent want to meet the teacher, class teacher, just to know their son's academic performance. So they are asking appointment to the class teacher, which time they should come to meet the class teacher. And here the sender name, Mr. Milind Patel, father of Kushal Patel. Next is example 4, a note from a son to his father about an interview to be attended. Now right hand side date will come, then the addressee name for father. There was a call from Siddhartha College requesting you to be present for an interview on Saturday 24 June 2017 at 11 a.m. at the college office. And next the sender name Dhaval is written at the bottom right hand side. So a son is writing a note to his father about the interview which he has to attend. So in such way we can write a note. Last is example 5, a note from the principal to the parent of a pupil about his daughter's performance. Now a principal is writing a note to the parent, to the student parent, about their daughter performance. So date will come at the right hand side 5th July, then addressee name for Mr. and Mrs. Akhtar. You are requested to meet the principal on any working day between 8:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in connection with your daughter's performance in school. Now, who is sending this? Principal is sending this note. So Mrs. R. Shetty, principal. So these are the examples how to write a note writing. Now there is exercise. Write a note according to the instruction given below. To your mother about your coming home late due to some project work. To your class teacher about your inability to attend the class picnic. State a valid reason. To meet to your classmate about your desire to borrow some books from him. So these are the 3 topics. On this you have to write the note, the definition, all these examples 1 to 5 you have to write in your English composition notebook. After that solve this exercise also. One time this you have to write, then exercise, a note to mother about your coming late due to some project work. You have given some project work, so you will be going to your friend's house to complete it. So write in brief this note. Then to your class teacher about your inability to attend the class picnic. So from the school class picnic will be going, so you are unable to attend the class picnic. So there you have to mention the valid reason what problem you are having. Then to your classmate about your desire to borrow some book from him. So these are the three topics this you have to write. So do this homework in your English composition notebook and do send me submit your homework on my WhatsApp number. This much for the day. Thank you so much.